Hi, I'm Jules from Bonni Bakery, and today I'm going to show you my favourite blueberry muffin recipe. This muffin recipe was a huge crowd pleaser when I had my bakery. It's gorgeously soft and fluffy, it has fresh blueberries all the way through, and it has the best sweet crunchy crumble topping on top. One of the best things about it is that you can make it with any kind of berries or whatever mix-ins you like. I love to make it with raspberries as well. And it's really simple. It comes together all in one bowl with just a whisk. There's no special equipment or mixers required. And it's great for a snack or for breakfast or just whenever you feel like muffins. For the ingredients we have all-purpose flour, white sugar, eggs, vanilla, baking powder, salt, vegetable oil, and sour cream. The sour cream is the secret ingredient here that's just gonna make these so soft and fluffy. You can also swap this out for Greek yogurt if you want a bit more of a breakfast vibe, but it's just, trust me, it's gonna make the best, softest muffins. And then we've also got, obviously, some fresh blueberries. You can use frozen if you prefer, just make sure that you bring them to room temperature before you mix them in. And then we're gonna use some extra flour, sugar, and a little bit of butter to make the crumble topping. All right, let's get started. To make the crumble topping, mix the flour and sugar together in a bowl. Melt the butter and stir it with a fork a little at a time until clumps start to form. You might not need all of the butter. In a separate bowl, crack the eggs. I always like to crack them into a smaller bowl first, just so I can check for shells. Whisk them together with the sugar until the mixture is thick and pale. Pour in the sour cream, vanilla, and vegetable oil and whisk until everything is combined. Sift in all the dry ingredients and whisk until there are no more lumps. Then add the blueberries and fold them in gently. Fill your muffin cases, leaving just enough space at the top for the crumble, then sprinkle generously with the crumble topping and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. You can get the full recipe along with lots of tips and tricks for muffin success on the blog post linked in the description below. So that's how you make my blueberry crumble muffins. I cannot wait to try these. I love that they're great for dessert or breakfast. It's blueberries, it's breakfast. They're so soft, the blueberries are so juicy, and honestly the winner is that crunchy crumble topping. It's so good. My brother-in-law, he used to work for me in the bakery, and we made these all the time. And he still begs me to make these for him every birthday. That's how good they are, instead of a cake. Let me know in the comments if you do try these. I'd love to know what you think. And yeah, let me know what kind of recipes you want to see next. Happy baking!